In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use multiple monitors and link charts in TradingView. If you're someone who spends a lot of time analyzing financial markets, you know how important it is to have a clean and functional workspace. TradingView makes it easy to monitor multiple charts and customize your setup for maximum efficiency, whether you're tracking different assets, comparing timeframes, or testing strategies. And if you're new to TradingView, don't worry, I'll walk you through everything step by step. If you don't already have a TradingView account, you can use the link in the description to get started. Now, let's dive in and optimize your workflow. First, open the TradingView desktop app on your computer. If you haven't downloaded it yet, head over to TradingView's official website and install the app for your operating system. The desktop version is especially useful for multi-monitor setups because it allows you to detach and move chart windows seamlessly. Once the app is open, you're ready to get started. Next, press Ctrl+N on your keyboard. This shortcut opens a brand new chart window within TradingView. The reason we're doing this is to create a fresh chart workspace that can be customized and moved to another monitor. It's a quick and efficient way to expand your trading setup without disrupting your current charts. Now, locate the new chart window that just popped up. Take a moment to verify the chart name at the top of this window. This step ensures that you're working on the correct chart. If you'd like, you can rename this chart or load a specific layout to suit your needs. This is especially helpful if you manage multiple assets or strategies and want to stay organized. Once you've verified the chart, click and drag the new window to your second monitor. By doing this, you're expanding your workspace, which allows you to view multiple charts at the same time. This setup is ideal for traders who want to analyze various assets side by side or compare different time frames without toggling between tabs. Now let's move into customizing your layout. Head over to the Charts Layout section in the TradingView desktop app. Look for an icon near the top of the interface that resembles a grid or layout symbol. If you're having trouble finding it, don't worry, it's usually located in the toolbar area. Click on this icon to open the layout menu. Inside the layout menu, you'll see options to configure how your charts are arranged. You can select a layout that organizes multiple charts within a single window. Alternatively, if you've already split your charts across different windows, you can continue working with that setup. Choose the option that best fits your workflow. For example, a single window layout is great for compact setups, while separate windows offer more flexibility on multi-monitor systems. Next up, let's look at linking actions between charts. In the layout menu, you'll find toggle options for features like symbol, interval, crosshair, time, and data range. These toggles allow you to synchronize specific actions across all your linked charts. Let's go through each one briefly. Enable the symbol toggle if you want the ticker symbol to update simultaneously across all linked charts. For instance, when you change the symbol on one chart, such as switching from AAPL to TSLA, all linked charts will follow suit. Now, if you enable the interval toggle, the time interval, such as switching between a 1-minute chart and a daily chart, will sync across all charts. This is particularly useful when you want to analyze the same asset across different time frames. The crosshair toggle links the tracker tool so that when you move it on one chart, it moves in sync on all linked charts. This is great for spotting patterns or events that occur at the same time across multiple charts. You can also enable the time toggle to synchronize the exact time range displayed on all charts. This ensures you're looking at the same period across your setup. And finally, the data range toggle allows you to align the data displayed across all charts, which is handy for comparing datasets. If you prefer each chart to operate independently, for example, tracking completely unrelated assets or timeframes, feel free to disable these toggles. The flexibility is there to adapt the setup to your needs. Once you've adjusted these settings, it's time to test your linked charts. Play around with the toggles and make sure everything is syncing the way you want. For example, try changing a symbol or interval on one chart and see if it updates across the others. This is your chance to fine-tune the setup until it feels just right for your workflow. And that's it. You now know how to use multiple monitors and link charts in TradingView. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.